Hey, ¿y qué es lo que estamos haciendo aquí?
Ya, yo no he pagado. Voy a buscar la funda negra para la subir.
Dime, ¿qué es lo que tú haces? Cuéntame.
¿Tú estás viendo?
¿Qué es lo que tú haces?
¿Tú estás viendo? Vamos a poner estos cosas y después lo vamos a tirar el sazón. ¿Entiendes? Ella va a tener un sazón ahí que ella trajo. Un tal veneno. Yeah. I would say yeah, but I would say okay, wait for the fire to like get a little more active. It's already like lit up.
¿Te van a hacer tomar los burgers?
Sí, pero hay que refrescarlo porque todos vamos a coger sazón. Así tú le tiras.
Oh, no, it wasn't going on, right?
Oigan, señores, y no dejen nada abierto aquí. Porque ese es un pajarito. Bien. Ni los pan tienen que ser.
Aline, where do you put the bags for the garbage? Vamos.
Pero no lo puede dejar que se llene mucho, porque después no cae en el chocolate.
A ver.
Se puede mover por el
You can move to that table too.
La que está allá atrás, ¿verdad?
Sí.
I was like on the corner, literally like this corner, right here. I just wanted to tell you. It was like that corner right there.
Yeah.
It was on stage because we didn't want to go up there. Are you recording me saying all that?
Yep.
Did my boobs look okay?
I'm not even gonna answer that.
He's still recording.
I'm not even gonna answer that.
That was good material.
Mano, está la vaina mía. De los pies.
Stop recording.
And you said it's good material, so I'm just gonna keep on recording you.
You know, when like this.
A Mimi.
Look. I was like, do me on YouTube. I'm gonna do.
Okay, Aline.
Tiene problema, ¿verdad?
I haven't even drunk one beer.
¿Quién lo trajo? ¿Quién lo puso en su...?
¿Tú sabes todo? Jason in Florida on the Springs.
La agua, yo no sé.
Not everybody gets here. My dog Jason did. To let you guys know. Hello.
Look. Where you going? No.
Stop it. I don't know.
So, like, fun fact about this place, like,
Daddy,
it's like surrounded by Indian snowdowns
Daddy, I don't know
from when
if I'm going
India.
to it's like that. And Daddy, my pants are already wet. So please, people are
Muy fría.
Mira esa cámara. Abajo el agua, ¿cómo está?
We should bring my thing here. La vaina para grabar otra. Porque para que no me cámara. You're your mom like it. Right?
Yeah.
No, dale que tú
Yo. Yeah, she got money. Yo, y'all about to make me go back in there, bro. Yo, you could do backflips right there? You could do a backflip?
Yeah.
I'm in there. ¿Te va a tirar?
Claro. ¿Cuándo es? ¿Graba el video?
Espérate, ahí está, ahí está.
Coño, era un clavado que yo iba a hacer, manega. No salió como dijo.
Go ahead.
I can see you. This one is made of
Yeah.
Hey, are you gonna watch me? No, because you're not. Because you're not. Because you're sweaty.
Yeah. There we go.
You hit yourself? No.
Hey, Jamie Lee. Oh, you gonna do it again? Part 2?
Jason,
Dime.
if you bring it here, it's even better.
Ya voy.
Look, I'm standing right now. You
Yeah.
Let me take you on a tour of the wildness. Yeah, I know. I'll be right back. A tour of the wildness. So you can see there's an entrance there. The canoe. You know? Si quiere agarrar la cena, me deja saber. Tour of the wilderness. That's when the sunset's gonna come hit. We're in the prime time.
That's crazy. You see right into the water too.
Oh, yeah.
Está rebalosa esta vaina así.
Yeah.
Damn.
All the way. You can see your feet. I've been saying fucking 75,000 gallons per second. It's pumping. This bitch. Let them know that we don't got no water here either. Just pure IPAs. That's it. And we can continue to give you the tour of the wilderness. Oh, we got a friend. Hey, friend. Walk with us. Yo, nosotros porque no dijimos nada, pero yo y Jason, el blanquito que tú conociste, we were swimming in there and they kicked everybody out and there was a mini one. And me and him stayed in the water. We just swam up to him, right? And we just saw a little bit of the fucking mouth. It was going like... And then the ranger came out. Get out, get out. We're like, oh, we didn't know. He goes, you don't know when there's a little baby, there's always a mom? So we didn't know. Like, we just looking at the little thing. Because it was like fucking, like this big. So it wasn't as big as like, you know, but he said that, he was like, oh, there's always a mom around.
I just heard him right here.
Ain't nobody gonna take me seriously anymore, you know what I'm saying? Got some new ones, but of course I did not buy it. 10 days, 6 shows, 1 thought, great talk. Asian honey asked me, do I like it? Soaking up all these rappers just like a mouse. Out and trying to with a lady and she's finer than your bitch. Well, it's my lifestyle, it really fuck.